Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Minecraft. You need to authenticate to Microsoft services. Let's fix it guys. Method on you just need to right click on the date and time and select adjust date and time. And you just need to turn on this set time zone automatically and set time automatically. Both of it turn it on and select the sync now option over here. And now just close stuff here and launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type a store. Click on open the Microsoft Store. Again, go to search menu and type Xbox and click on open it. You just need to select the profile icon and select sign out and sign back in to Microsoft Store. And same thing for Xbox. Select the profile icon over here and select sign out, and after that sign back in and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, you just need to download and install the older version of Minecraft. To do this, check my video description for this link. This is the latest version of Minecraft. Scroll down, older version and platforms. Click on Windows Legacy, and after getting download and install it, after the installation done, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of this method fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.